Did you know that dry environments of the distant past can be identified from features in sedimentary rocks? Favorite this video to learn about some of those features. In desert environments, wind creates sand dunes by piling up loose sand behind obstacles that form a wind shadow. When wind direction shifts, dunes migrate and create trough cross-stratification, curved layers formed when new sand beds accumulate over truncated older deposits. These features are preserved in the rock record and help geologists interpret past environments. However, sand dunes exist in desert and coastal areas, so geologists need additional evidence to identify ancient desert settings. Since dry climates occur in trade wind belts, mountain range shadows, and inland regions, determining the specific arid environment requires reconstructing ancient geographic features. A perfect example of typical arid basin features is Death Valley. When temporary streams transport sediment from highlands, they form cone-shaped alluvial fans on the valley floor. These fans contain poorly sorted particles ranging from boulders near mountains to mud on gentler slopes, deposited mainly by debris flow and braided streams during rare rainy periods. Geologists use this poor sorting to identify ancient alluvial fan deposits. Heavy rains in deserts can create braided stream networks when sediment clogs channels, forcing water into multiple interconnected pathways. These streams flow toward the basin's center, occasionally forming temporary playa lakes. When these lakes evaporate, they leave evaporite minerals, primarily halite, gypsum, and anhydrite in Death Valley. Other features can form from repeated wetting and drying cycles, which create large, polygonal mud cracks across the basin floor. When groundwater evaporates at the surface, calcium carbonate deposits called caliche form around salt pan margins. Now you know a little bit more about deserts. Follow for more.